manipulated for many
Shut up.
years.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up. Shut up. If I was close to you, probably I would have given you Bianca's slap. Or maybe Will Smith's punch. Look at you. A full-blooded man. Annie is your younger sister. A full-fledged, blooded man. Now, dear wisdom, I don't know who set you up for this, but definitely you're going to regret it. You still go back and go and apologize. But before you apologize, let me tutor you. Let me teach you something as a man. And I'm going to use you, wisdom, as a point of reference to other lazy men out there. What is wrong with you is what is called entitlement and laziness mentality. Your sister has spoiled you to the point that you begin to believe that it is your right, whereby you are just being privileged. She spoiled you by carrying your responsibilities on her shoulders over the years. She spoiled you by bringing you closer to even make you her manager. What can you manage, wisdom? That's the honest truth. Being a manager requires this thing you're complaining about. If you're a manager, once in a while, when you are angry, when you're upset, your manager sees all that part of you. So it is normal. I also have a manager. I also have a PA. In fact, he sees the worst part of me. And I don't think he will ever come out to come and say, oh, Blessing used to scream at me. Blessing used to do, because that's his job. First of all, you don't even know what it is for you to be a manager. So shut up and use this avenue to go and walk. Go and build yourself. Go and take care of your family. Your sister is a woman. She's your younger sister. Did you watch this? Go back and watch this video. Just rewatch. I would also use this opportunity to enlighten women. Thank God that there is a video that we can use as a point of reference. Dear women, I know that you think that you love them by feeding them. I mean men, your brother, your boyfriend, whoever you claim to love, that is a man. I know to you, you feel that when you carry their responsibility, you love them. You are helping them. That's not love. If you do not allow a man become a man, you will become his enemy. If you do not allow a man go out there and find his capability and his capacity, he will grow to hate you. It happens even to parents. When you are pampering your boy child, you are pampering him because he's your only boy child, because he's your boy child. You spoil him. He becomes useless and you become his enemy. I have seen so many useless sons who begin to battle their mother. That same your mother that spoiled you, that same your mother that was pampering you will become your enemy at the end of the day. When these children begin to do drugs, begin to do illegal stuff, the first people they want to fight is their mothers. That same woman that thought that she was showing him love by pampering him, by not allowing him go out there to find out his capacity and his ability. A man is useless without provision. Any man that wants to counter this statement is not a man. He's a boy with manhood. A man is useless without provision. It is provision that makes you a man. It is provision that gives you that mantle. It is provision that gives you that ego. That's why every man is striving to succeed. Any woman that wants to keep you in a house and be feeding you does not like you. She wants to control you. That's the honest truth. So don't be excited when you see a woman that is giving you food, that is pampering you, that is telling you, honey, don't go out, I love you, don't worry. That person doesn't like you. You will grow, you as a man, you will grow up to hate that woman. Your job as a man is to provide, no matter how small, no matter how rich your wife is, no matter how rich your sister is, no matter how famous they are. Don't bacon on it. In fact, use their fame to find your ability. Don't go there and go and be eating from them. Nobody owe you anything. So long as you're a man and you don't have the capacity to provide, you will always be angry. You will always be bitter. You will always hate yourself. That name, man, is not just your manhood that is dangling in between your leg. That word man is the ability to carry responsibilities on your shoulder and to provide from your family. That is what makes you a man. That is what gives you ego. That is what makes you, take up the mantle. Yes. Stop letting women feed you. Be it your sister, be it your girlfriend, be it your wife, be it your relative. I don't care. I want you as a man to have this sense of responsibility. Whenever you see me come onto social media to come and talk about men, whenever I say give women transport fare, whenever I say do this for a woman, I just want you to have that sense of responsibility. Let me tell you, the most painful part of a man's life is when he cannot provide for the people that he loves. That's the most painful part of his life. It breaks him into pieces. As a man, you have to understand something. Providing for your family and making money is not supposed to be easy. Stop running away from the responsibility. It wasn't supposed to be easy. If you're a Christian and you read the Bible, a man is supposed to suffer and till the soil before he gets his daily bread. It's a cost. Making money is a cost to men. God said you will suffer to make the money. Why are you running away? You're not supposed to run from it. That's why it's easier for women to make money. It's easy for us to succeed because it's not a cost upon us. But you will still succeed. Stop running away from it, because whatever will be will still be. Go out there, no matter how small, till that soil so that you can take your mantle. Stop selling your birthright for a pot of porridge just because of a plate of porridge. That was what Esau did. Take up that mantle. Stop being afraid to carry responsibility, no matter how small. The only problem you men have is the fact that you will go and carry a woman that is bigger than you. A lot of men can make money, no matter how small. But the problem is that you people have ujukokoro. After making this small income, instead of you to be managing it or look for a woman that is your level and your standard, you want to go and carry something big, something huge. Every man can make money, no matter how small. Step by step. Go out there and walk. Whether your sister is a celebrity or your sister is whatever, get out there and walk. Something for yourself is your pride. So dear wisdom, with or without your sister, get out there and go and walk. Fend for your family. She has tried for you. So she doesn't owe you anything. Okay? Please, dear men, let's stop this sense of entitlement, especially collecting money from a woman. It's a shame and a Bianca slap to your face. All the best to all the hardworking men all over the world.